Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Today's video is a clean with me guest room edition. My sister is going to be staying with us for the next few days and I thought I would freshen up the guest room before she arrives. So my first tip is to put clean fresh sheets on the guest bed. The smell of fresh sheets is so comforting and I love to do this before my guests arrive. So my goal in the guest room is to get it to feel like a hotel, and I do that by making sure the pillow covers are also washed, and also the way I set up the bed is putting the pillows that they're gonna lay on first, and then the decorative, and then the pillows that come with the comforter, and then I just put a little accent pillow on it, and I just think it brings everything together and it has that hotel feel. I always wipe down all the surfaces in my guest room because it tends to build up a lot of dust since it's not in use frequently. And I also light one of my favorite candles. This is Cozy Comfort from Walmart. Now my guest room is ready for my guests. I'm so excited that you guys stopped by, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.